Instead of complaining to what's happening to you right now, you should start taking actions to get out of your current situation. Everything that is going on in your life is the results of your actions or the universe trying to teach you something. The universe, God, whatever, call it life. Now, if you always complain and you always think that everything is against you, nothing's gonna change. You can complain as much as you want. You can think that everyone's against you. Nothing will fucking change. You have to start taking actions in your life, concrete actions, movements. Motion will create motion. If you don't do shit, nothing's gonna happen. It's easy to think everything is against you and to think that nothing will change when things get really hard, because they will. Life is about perspective and how you see things. You can think that a certain challenge is against you. It wants to push you down. It wants to break your dreams and stop you from reaching your goals. Or you can see it as an opportunity to grow so you can face the next challenges well enough to get to your goals. Think about that.